In this video, I'm going to talk you through exactly the steps that I took to bring a student from $0 and a bartender all the way to 20K per month within 12 months, literally just a year. Okay, I'll show you exactly how I guided Osh to generate over 200K and build an audience of 17,000 followers in just 365 days. Now, close all the tabs, pay close attention, because if you grow any sort of social media audience, you must follow this formula. You'll be able to create similar results for yourself. Now, before we get into the case study, I'll show you quickly some proof of the statement above so you know that we actually did this. Okay, let's dive into it. Here is a picture from the first week we started together. You can see he has 5 followers. Now you can see he's 17,000. So he went from 5 to 17,000 in just a year. Like, insane. Here's a picture of when he made his first 16K in the first 60 days of working together. Right on the left here. He took this funny picture. It's fantastic. And this is in pounds as well. So here's more photos of us chatting privately where I'm reviewing his content each week. Booking calls from threads, everything. Now, he has been traveling to places like Dubai, Spain, all while making a killing online. He moved into the most luxurious building in his city. It's insane. Look at the views here. Okay, absurd. All of this has happened because he learned and applied what I gave him. You could have all this knowledge in the world, but if you don't apply it, you're useless. You have to take action. Now, since that's out of the way, who this document is for? It's for you if you want to start growing and running a personal brand that prints you dollars. If you already run a personal brand, this is for you. If you have a social media audience and you've no idea how to properly monetize it, this is for you. If you've a social media audience and you want to monetize it through a high ticket offer, this is for you. Or even if you don't have an audience yet, we scale you up. We bring you from example of Osh with 5 followers to 17,000. Okay. If you sell low ticket courses and you're stuck at 5K a month, this is for you. Okay. If you have any sort of expertise that you want to package and sell at a premium, this is for you. Now, here's the truth. You can monetize your personal brand on Twitter to earn a consistent 10K a month without a huge audience. You can do this with a couple, even a few thousand followers. However, most people, and even people with big audiences, are not capable of doing so because they don't understand how to create an offer that their target audience needs and wants, nor do they have a proven process that creates urgency in their prospects and gets them to buy their offer. Okay. Now, stay with me for this because this is all really important. I'll show you exactly how to cultivate essentially these issues and how I managed to launch a Twitter account from zero that made 17K in profit in 65 days and grew an audience of 5.3 thousand people. This is what he achieved in 65 days. Insane. And in case you don't know me, my name is Mike Scully, and for the majority of 2022 and all of 2023, all I did was build a personal brand that has turned into a multi-6-figure business. Okay, I run 2 businesses, a landing page freelance business and a coaching and consulting program. Osh stumbled across our coaching program and decided to take the leap of faith and invest into himself. He had no idea where to start after trying and failing for months. He's a hardworking guy who only had 5 followers when he came on board. He was working for an agency and working in a bar as well, but the agency he was working for was specializing in CRO for landing pages. So he had an existing skill that we could sell. He just needed to increase that skill and then actually sell it. Okay, he had no idea how to acquire clients. As soon as Osh joined our coaching program, I knew I had a passionate student who was eager to learn and achieve success. I took the time to understand his goals, aspirations, and pains. I got to know him on a personal level and made him feel welcome instantly. I do this with absolutely everyone. He's not an exception. Okay. We got started right away and repositioned his Twitter account, optimizing his Twitter profile. I knew that a well-optimized Twitter profile will always help you and Osh attract the right prospects. So you have to have your profile optimized for the people that you want to work with. It just makes logical sense. So I worked with him to create a compelling bio, banner, and pin thread. This is really important, pin thread. A lot of people don't remember this. That would describe his brand and message. We used a green themed color beyond the profile picture of his face, along with an emoji in his name to stand out in the timeline. It's the small things. The little emoji, people remember that. You might not realize this, but people do. Okay. We created a content strategy that is engaging and value driven. This has also always been upgraded, always been updated, and stays with the times because the algorithm, everything on Twitter changes constantly. We need to make sure we're on top of the game constantly. our coaching program, everything is updated. Modules, they're constantly updated. The ones that need to be and added. So he's not like any other account in that regard. We tailored it to fit his personality and style. Inside the program, he learned how to leverage AI. All my students get this training, stay on top, and future-proof their personal brand. Here was his content strategy. Monday, thread, 2 tweets, 1 soft sell. So you're pitching yourself. Tuesday, again, you're pitching yourself with a hard sell, a giveaway, a tweet, right? Giveaways bring in, auto DM giveaways, they bring in thousands of followers if done correctly. Hundreds at least, thousands at best, which is not too bad. Wednesday, 2 tweets and a question. Thursday, 1 thread and 2 tweets. Friday, 1 mind map explaining a process or an SOP. 1 question, 1 tweet. Saturday, 2 tweets, 1 thread. Sunday, 1 question, 1 tweet, 1 soft sell. So see this? You can understand the trend here, why it all works. Consistency. You're doing different things on different days, but you're staying consistent with it all, and you're posting every single day. A massive success factor to his content was these before and afters. Let me show you these. I'm sure a lot of you have seen these, but they're redesigns. They show what he's capable of. Okay. He would do this for larger brands and showcase exactly how he could improve their page. Talking about targeting his ideal customer. I knew that this was targeting his right audience and the correct audience was crucial for his success. And I'm doing this and dealing with this process with a lot of other students right now. And we're niching down, targeting more, and it's working really, really well. The scaling ability with this is insane. Okay. I helped him analyze his followers and identify his ideal customer. I also developed a targeting strategy that would maximize his reach and get his message in front of the right people. We decided to target e-com founders, simple as. His portfolio work had tons of e-commerce companies and he liked working with those types of businesses. So we targeted the people who were most likely to become his clients, people that he'd worked with before, people with the same brands, same offers, different things like that, but in the e-commerce space. We also helped him develop a pricing strategy and offer that would be profitable for him and attractive to his clients. It needed to be a no-brainer, okay? This is why he closes most of his sales calls now. Let me move this here. In the beginning, I would take sales calls with him to diminish the nerves, which are bound to be there. It's natural, but I have a lot of experience and confidence with sales calls. I've done hundreds, probably a few hundred at this stage, I don't even know. But here you can see us on a call. I was on holidays with my business partner at this point, working from online, and Osh is scaling here in the beginning of his journey. Now he seems to be on holidays even more than me. But he's charging 2.5 to 5k for a landing page now. He's clients on retainer as well, so he's getting paid monthly from anywhere from 4k to 8k a month from clients. Like, it's absurd. Creating a landing page and video sales letter is important. Using my 13-step framework, we installed this into Osh's VSL that lets prospects know exactly what's entailed in his service and also handles objections before they even book a call. So the VSL does the selling. He just goes on the call and they're like, okay, yeah, I need this. Osh's like, cool, no issue. That's it. And here's what it looks like on his landing page. Screenshot of this here. Okay, it's a good video. Not too long, not too complex, but it follows a good formula. Now, with acquiring clients, I knew that acquiring clients was the ultimate goal for Osh. This is what's going to get him the success that he wants and needs. Okay, I taught him how to prospect, get inbounds, and follow up effectively. For sales calls on his own, I didn't just give him a script to follow. I taught him how to sell authentically and genuinely. I think this is so important, and it's a mistake a lot of people doing sales make, is following a script too much to a T. It's about being flexible. It's about being genuine. It's about being honest. All right. If you can't help the prospect, tell them, like be honest. I think this comes across really well because when you feel like you can help a person, you're really able to, and you're confident, you're excited, and that shows on sales calls. Every sales call he has, and I do this with all my students, I watch and review to give notes on what can be improved. I review his content every single week, and this allows us to always improve. We use a tracker where he has to log in his long form posts so I can give feedback. This is an example of it. Okay, he puts in his post there, I give feedback on them. Since then, I have gone on to help Osh scale his agency. He's hired a designer. He's really scaling, by the way. He's pushing for 40k months now. He's hired a designer from the community, which is amazing. Like, we're hiring people inside our own community and getting deals done within the community, and everyone's winning. It's insane. He's even hired a sister to help with some basic admin and project management. None of this is possible without cracking the client acquisition through a personal brand. Okay. Becoming an authority in your niche is the best way to make money in 2024. It's going to be the exact same in 2025. You're early right now. You're genuinely very early. Okay. There's many other stories similar to Osha's inside my private community that I'll be releasing over the coming weeks. I already released another case study recently. It's just wins on wins. It's insane. Okay. Now, I do have an offer for you. If you're a beginner, freelancer, or someone with expertise that can be packaged and sold. So you work a 9 to 5, maybe you do Excel, maybe it's so simple, or you're willing to actually learn. You're willing to learn landing pages, automations, copywriting, email marketing. I can provide you with all this, all the tools and knowledge that you need to actually get into freelancing and start scaling yourself. But if you want to do this and land a guaranteed 3 to 10 clients in the next 180 days, guaranteed, or you'll get 100% refund, I can teach you how to do all of the above plus more and help you implement the process yourself. Inside the program, we have 74 plus modules. We have a fantastic community with Ocean, many others, Alex, Molly, Brilliance, you've seen them all, Drew, Helmy, like there's tons of people in there winning and absolutely killing it inside the program. So you get that fantastic community. We have 2 group calls a week. They're all recorded as well. There's 24/7 access to me. You'll be able to speak to me privately. And that's that, okay? And you'll have a game plan, roadmap, everything. 180-day roadmap. The program's actually 12 months long. You're inside for 12 months. So that if that sounds like something you're interested in, book a call below with the link. So with this link, it's either in the DM I've sent you, the description, or below this video. So I'll put it somewhere. It'll be obvious for you. But book a call. Let's speak. Let's see where you're at. If I feel like I can help you, I'll provide an offer to you. And if not, you'll at least get some fantastic actionable advice that you can go away with. So I look forward to speaking to you. Take care. I hope this helps you and helps you understand the journey that you're about to go through. And we'll talk soon. Take care. Thanks.